Hi everyone, this is Deb Tim. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my old car that I crashed and my new car, its replacement. I'm really excited about it and I'm really happy. But I have to tell you that since I got my cast off, my hand is pretty much useless. I am going to physio and this is really keeping me from making videos as much as I'd like to. But I am mending, so that's the important thing. So please enjoy this clip of my old car and my new car. Please stay tuned. So this is Daisy, my Prius. I really got clocked good. I lost the car in a blind spot. So as I entered the intersection, this car was coming at me at 90 kilometers an hour and hit me hard. It's no wonder I was injured. Although, without my seatbelt and airbags, I am sure I would not be here today. And here is Puppy. This is my new car. It is a Toyota Corolla IM hatchback. She is a 6-speed transmission, which I really love. I've never had an automatic until I got the Prius. And I have a little Hello Kitty doll on my dash, my masks on my blinker, and I am set to hit the road in my new car. So until next time, this is Deb Tim signing out. Thanks so much for watching. I really am happy about my new car, sad about my old car, but you know what? Life goes on. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.